Hello, YouTubers. We got a special surprise. I got a special surprise. I got a whole bunch of stuff from 8-Bit Baits and a bunch of bling. I mean, this stuff is cool. So, and as you can see, the squirrel thinks it's for her nest. But stick around. We'll be right back, and we're going to look at some of this stuff. Okay, welcome back. And if this is your first time viewing my channel, welcome. Thank you. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the videos and make that little bell have the squiggly thing so that you get notified of all the crazy things I do. And that thumbs down one, just put your other thumb over the top of it so that it won't bother you. But let's take a look at what we got, beginning right here where I'm setting. Check it out. 8-Bit Blings. I got the little pad for doing your hot work on, your molds and mixing your pigments and everything. These things are sweet. They won't melt when they get hot. You can set hot stuff on it, and it protects your cups. So when you set your cups on there, you're not going to transfer a bunch of heat, because these are the same stuff that they use to put on cookie sheets. Silicone. Silicone's a great substance, but unlike the silicone that they use on cookie sheets, this stuff is very, very thin. It's like 0.8 millimeters. This silicone is very, very heavy, and you can see down in it, it has these fibers in it that give it strength. So they're stronger, they're thicker, they're heavier. They're going to do everything that silicone should do, but they're going to do it on steroids, as is customary with 8-Bit Bait products. Before we go to the other bench, check these out. These are the stirrers that he's using, and he's told us these are actually frosting paddles for mixing frosting up. And I tell you, it was a good thing, because I got some of the cheap ones from Wally World, and within about 2 weeks, the inside of my Pyrex cups were all scratched up because this edge is very, very sharp and hard on those other ones. These are a lot more flexible. They're a lot shinier, so they'll be easier to keep clean. And you don't have that sharp edge, so I bet it's not going to tear up my Pyrex cups. But I got it in both sizes, the large one and the small one. You guys need to head over to 8-Bit Baits and get yourself some. Now for the creme de la creme. Look at this demolding mat. Kind of like a mouse pad. It does the same stuff. Neoprene. But not going to scratch up your molds. Made to take the heat and the abuse that us bait makers are famous for. And check it out. 8-Bit Baits logo right in the middle. How cool could you get? I mean, he's the big kid on the block. And if you're working behind him, you got something going. And if you look real close, there's the 8-Bit Baits logo, kind of made very thin and almost transparent, but embossed into it. Beautiful, beautiful mat. Nice and big. I got lots of room. You can see with my big monkey hands there, there's lots of room to demold my mats. And sitting on here, I got a whole set of siren scales. But you don't get to see those yet. I got a video coming of that. Just know for now, I got a whole set of new siren scales, and we are going to do some magic. So be sure and check out my next video, where we're going to start at the beginning, start making some super duper baits on steroids. Hey, I'm glad you got to come along on this teaser. I got some great new stuff. You got to admit, now I look like a bait maker. And using the 8-Bit products, it'll make anybody look good, even me. So watch for my next video, where we're going to start putting some of that product to use and start having some fun with it. Until then, if you're ready for the fight, trigger the strike.
sank in the mud. Moon's just a busted bowl. Breath held on the dock edge, every heartbeat dull and loud. Cold steel in my palm, knuckles scarred and tight. Line cuts through that black glass as I aim into the night. In the silence they're watching, every movement matters. One tremor on that surface, and I'm the next one scattered. Trigger the strike, yeah. Trigger the strike. DVL Custom Lures, built for the fight. Cast it deep, let it fall, built to hunt through it all. In the dark where they hide. DVL strike mode, lit precision, engineered to bite. DVL, built for the strike. Stumps like crooked teeth, old bones on the lake floor. Something mean down there, never seen the bank before. I feed it one small sin, chrome flash, blood red eyes. Let that monster taste it, then I rip it to the sky. In the silence they're watching, every movement matters. One heartbeat, one mistake, and they drag me to the black hole. Trigger the strike, hey, trigger the strike.